Welcome. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn how to build a model in Google AI Studio and integrate it with Google Antigravity step by step. Google AI Studio gives a visual interface for datasets, model configuration, training, and export, designed for engineers and product teams. Google Antigravity is the example API platform we will connect to. It handles inference, scaling, and secure requests from your deployed models. This video covers signing in, a UI walkthrough, creating a project, training a model, exporting, and then integrating with Antigravity using API keys and requests. Follow along for tips, common pitfalls, and short example requests. Pause when you see code snippets to copy them into your environment. Let's start by opening Google AI Studio and landing on the project's dashboard, where all your experiments live. Sign into Google AI Studio with your Google account. The top left has the project selector, and the top right shows account and settings. The left navigation lists projects, datasets, models, training, and deployment. Use this to jump between workflow steps. To create a new project, click New Project. Enter a name, select organization and region, then confirm. Keep names clear and descriptive. Project settings include permissions, linked billing account, and default compute options. Review these before starting heavy training jobs. Next, go to Datasets. Click Upload to add CSVs, images, or TF records. Label columns consistently and include sample metadata. Preview your dataset rows. Check class balance and remove bad rows before training to prevent noisy models and wasted compute. Open Models and click Create Model. Choose a model type, classification, regression, or multimodal depending on your data. Name the model and select the dataset you uploaded. Choose a baseline architecture or bring your custom model via container. Set training parameters, epochs, batch size, learning rate, and validation split. Start conservatively and iterate based on metrics. Click Train to begin. Use the Training tab to watch logs, GPU usage, loss curves, and validation accuracy in real time. If training stalls, check data quality, reduce batch size, or lower learning rate. Save checkpoints frequently to avoid progress loss. Once validation metrics meet your goal, mark the model as ready for export. Tag the version with notes for reproducibility. Open the model page and select Export. Choose from export formats like Save Model, Container Image, or OnX, depending on your target. For cloud deployment, choose Container Export. This packages runtime, dependencies, and model weights for consistent serving. Download the exported artifact or push directly to your container registry. Keep the artifact name and version clear for deployment scripts. Test locally by running the container and sending sample requests to the model endpoint to validate responses and latency. Deploy to your preferred cloud endpoint. Configure auto-scaling, CPU and GPU allocation, and set health checks for production readiness. Enable role-based access and rotate keys regularly. Document endpoints, versions, and maintenance windows for your team. To integrate with Google Antigravity first, create an Antigravity project and generate an API key in the Antigravity console. Store API keys securely using environment variables or a secret manager. Never commit keys to source control or public repos. Configure your application with the model endpoint and the Antigravity API key. Use HTTPS, timeouts, and retry logic for reliability. Example curl request to Antigravity. Curl x post https://antigravity.googlebis.com/v1/predict h authorization bearer your API key d model my model input hello. Handle responses by checking status codes, parsing JSON, and implementing exponential backoff on 429 and 5xx errors to maintain stability. Summary: use AI Studio to iterate quickly, export stable artifacts, then connect securely to Antigravity with keys, monitoring, and error handling. Try it today.